Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can tell, but I am a little under the weather this week, so just bear with me. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Peely Base. For my base colors, I will be using Sinful Colors Snowy White on my pointer, my middle finger, and my pinky. And on my thumbnail and my ring nail, I will be using this polish from Believe Beauty, and this one is called Girl Talk. Believe Beauty is a brand that Dollar General now carries. It's they sell makeup and nail polish as well, exclusively for Dollar General. And once I have my base colors applied, I'm going to go in with some liquid latex. I didn't show it on camera, but while I was waiting for my latex to dry, I just applied a little bit of Girl on the Run from Pure Ice just to give me a smooth base. I will be sponging on the Believe Beauty polish, and I'll be applying striping tape to the nails that got the white. The only color of Believe Beauty that I picked up that I'm not using today is this one, and it is called Baby Porcelain. It just didn't go the way that I wanted it to, but I used this, since I wasn't using it, I used it to put my striping tape onto, so it was easy to access. As for the colors that I'll be using today, you've already seen this one. This is Girl Talk that I used as the base color for the glitter nail. And then I will be using this color called, if I can get it to focus, Rogue Veritable. It's this beautiful red color. And the darkest color from the line that I picked up is this one called Duchess. There we go. And then the glitter polish that I picked up is this one. This is the most beautiful sort of rose gold pink-ish glitter polish that I have, and it is called Gold Rose. I will be applying that with a sponge, but first I want to do the color block. As I said, I've got my striping tape. I'm going to try to apply it with the tweezers first, and I may have to switch to my fingers. I'm not exactly sure. It's mostly different every time. But I'm going to apply this to the white nails and try to get it as even as possible. And I'm putting 2 pieces per nail. Trying to. And then I can always go back and reposition if I need to. Making sure that I've got it as straight as possible. Pushed into the sides. And then once I have all of this complete, I will be back to show y'all how I plan on doing the color order and how I plan to apply them. I am going to repeat that 2 more times on my white nails. I'm going to be working one color at a time. Up towards the cuticle, I'm going to be putting Girl Talk. And what I plan on doing for this part is I'm just going to take this little tool. It's kind of like a dotting tool, but it's a little longer. I wanted to try that out today to see how well it did. And I'm just going to take this directly off of the polish brush. And I'm going to go in and gently dab the color all around. Being super careful not to go over the striping tape. And if I have any left over, I can just go and put it on that nail, but I didn't really have a whole bunch. And now that I have Girl Talk applied to the cuticle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Rogue Veritable in the middle. And then I'm going to put the darkest color called Duchess at the very tip of my nail. Alright, and now we're going to take Duchess, and for this one I'm just going to paint it on with the actual brush since it's at the tip of the nail. I'm just gonna gently clean the brush off just a little bit, just so I don't get too much. And I'm going to this Holo striping tape. Wipe off any that runs down so it doesn't contaminate the other colors. Alright, and while I wait for that first coat of that one to dry, I'm going to go back up to the top two, and I'm going to peel off the striping tape on the top. Ooh, we'll come back to that one. Alright, and what has happened on this middle nail is it's got a hold of my peel off base coat. I'm going to do the best I can to avoid peeling all of it up, but it doesn't look like I am going to succeed. Okay. Ooh, that was scary. Okay. Well, I just dented it. That's great. We'll fix that. Oh goodness. I'm gonna have to redo this now, guys. I'm just gonna redo it. It's too much of a hassle. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other thin coat on these other two real quick. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull them up and hope that that doesn't happen again, because it's super scary. Okay, and then I'm gonna do... Oh gosh! And again. See if I can anchor it just a little bit. Oh my gosh. Well guys, I may be redoing this nail too. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to fool with that. Alright guys, well, I will be back once I have these two nails redone. Now that I've got those two nails redone, and that's also why I always prepare extra of my striping tape, just in case something like that happens. It's always very possible. Alright, so as you can see, I've already done my thumb, but also on the ring finger, I'm going to take gold rose onto a sponge. First, I'm just going to apply just a single layer to the nail, just to give me a little bit of a base. Then I'm going to take the inside of my sponge, and I'm just going to sponge on this glitter. Okay, now that I've got the glitter sponged on to how I want, I'm just going to take the polish and just do a top layer of the glitter just to help smooth it out. And then I'm going to take my tweezers And very carefully and gently remove the latex. Oop. I went ahead and did clean up on the rest of my nails while I was waiting for the nails that I had to redo to dry. Ooh, okay. And there is the glitter nail. Alright, and there is the finished design. I am going to go back and do another coat of top coat because I can still feel like the lines, and especially on the glitter nails. That might not bother you, but for me, I like to have the smoother nails. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below telling me what you think of this manicure. I will be posting pictures on Instagram as usual. I upload every Monday at 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. And if you never want to miss another video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. I will see y'all next week.